I'd like to congratulate you for completing the official Quick Start course for LifterLMS. You've seen how you can launch fast and easily, even if you're non-technical, even if this is your first time using WordPress, you can follow along with the lessons that we've laid out in this course and get the fundamentals down for your learning management system website. You've seen how LifterLMS is an all-in-one solution that integrates the best learning management system features, all the membership features you would ever need, the conversion optimized e-commerce features, and engagement and gamification as well. Now, we didn't cover everything in this course. This is the Quick Start course, but I hope you're starting to see how powerful and how all-in-one LifterLMS is as a solution. And you're also getting a sense for the community behind the project. If you need any support from the LifterLMS team, just reach out to us, and we've got a whole community of users that are super passionate about what they do. And also in the development ecosystem, a lot of other companies are integrating their tools and their agency service offerings into LifterLMS because a lot is happening right now in online education, and these companies are joining the LifterLMS project and community to help serve and help scale and grow their businesses. So what I'd like you to do now is below this video, I've got a bunch of links. It depends on where you are as to what to do next. If this is your first run on LifterLMS and you're ready to invest in your training platform, your education project, your course business, whatever you want to call it, click the Buy Now button below, and that'll take you to the LifterLMS pricing so that you can choose the right level for you to come in on. If you're already a LifterLMS customer, click the upgrade link down below, and that'll show you how to upgrade and get another bundle and get prorated for the value of your existing license and all that stuff. So if you're going to upgrade, click the upgrade link down below. If you have a question for pre-sales about which add-ons you need or which bundle's right for you, click the contact pre-sales link down below this video. We're happy to help you. And also, like I mentioned, the LifterLMS community is incredible. I've got some links to join the Facebook group for LifterLMS as well as the Slack community. So if you're not in those communities yet, click those links to join. And if you're a LifterLMS customer and you need some technical support, we are 100% here for you. Click the link, the contact support link below, so that you can get in touch with the LifterLMS technical support team so we can support you. And finally, I'd like to ask you a favor. Click the leave a review link down below to leave LifterLMS a review. It means a lot to us. It motivates the team. It helps LifterLMS be found by more people. If you could just take a minute or two and leave a review for LifterLMS by clicking that link down below, we really appreciate it. And finally, if you're enjoying what you're seeing here and you know somebody else that LifterLMS could help, I would encourage you to refer LifterLMS to your friends, to your colleagues, to your clients. And we do have an affiliate partner program that you can join so that if you are referring people, you can earn a commission on all the sales that you generate. So click the Join Affiliate Program down below. We'd much rather pay you than other paid advertising channels to big companies and whatnot. So as a LifterLMS user, we'd love to have you in our affiliate partner program. So that's it. Click the links down below that make sense for you right now. Thank you for taking the official Quick Start course for LifterLMS. I wish you all the best on the course, the membership site, the coaching program, the online school, the training portal, whatever it is you're building for you or your clients. It's great to be with you on the journey. I'm Chris Badgett from LifterLMS, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.